Today I am going to share an important topic, structure and uses of Ulva Thallus. Let's see the learning objectives of this topic. To understand the significance of marine ecosystem and the algal forms found in the marine ecosystem and the structure of Ulva Thallus, external and internal structure, and to analyze the significance and role of Ulva Thallus to the society. Let's see the introduction about this topic. Marine ecosystem, it is an aquatic environment which consists of higher amount of dissolved salts. Marine ecosystem, it consists of two components, one is biotic component and the another one is abiotic component. If we take the biotic component, it includes all the living things such as parasites, predators, plants, animals, competitors and all the species. And the abiotic components, it includes temperature, salinity, turbulence, sunlight and the concentration of nutrients dissolved in the water. And the living things which is found in the marine ecosystem includes plants, animals, microorganisms, algae, dinoflagellate, sponges, tunicate, fishes, bacteria and fungi. And the marine ecosystem, it is an important global life supporting system and it provides us food, fodder, oxygen and job. And when compared to all the ecosystem, this marine ecosystem is the most undervalued ecosystem. Let's see the introduction about algae. Algae, it is a photosynthetic eukaryotic organisms. Since it consists of chlorophylls, it can prepare its own food. And then eukaryotic organism means it consists of true nucleus. The plant body is known as thallus because we cannot differentiate the plant body into stem, root and then leaves. It consists of various photosynthetic pigments such as chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, xanthophylls, etc. And the main reserve food is starch, oil, Floridian starch, mannitol, etc. And the size of the algae, it ranges from 0.2 to 2 micrometer in diameter up to giant health, and that grows up to 60 meters in height. Then the algae, it produces oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and it also out carbon dioxide. The algae, it is used as food and it is a main source for crude oil, and various pharmaceutical and industrial products for human being is also obtained from algal forms. Classification of algae. The great algologist Fritsch classified the algal forms into 11 classes based on the pigmentation, flagella and reserve food material. He divides the algal forms into 11 classes. The 11 classes are chlorophyceae, xanthophyceae, chrysophyceae, bacillariophyceae, cryptophyceae, dinophyceae, chloromonadinae, euglenophyceae, phaeophyceae, rhodophyceae and cyanophyceae. Among the 11 classes, the chlorophyceae, it is one of the important class. The chlorophyceae, it is commonly the species which is found under the class chlorophyceae, it is commonly known as green algae. This is mainly because of the presence of the pigments which is found in that class. The general characteristics of chlorophyceae are, it is a freshwater or marine water algae. The plant body, it may be unicellular or multicellular, and these are eukaryotic organisms, and the cell wall, it is composed of cellulose and it also consists of polysaccharides. The various pigments found in the chlorophyceae members are chlorophyll A, B, carotenoids and then xanthophylls. Here it consists of the starch and then oil is the main reserve food in the class chlorophyceae, and Chlamydomonas, chlorella, volvox and Ulva, these species, these genus are common in the class chlorophyceae. Let's see the Ulva Thallus. The Ulva Thallus, it belongs to the kingdom Plantae and the division Chlorophyta and the class Chlorophyceae and the order Ulvales, family Ulvaceae and the genus Ulva. Ulva Thallus, it is a green alga and it belongs to the class Chlorophyceae, and these are looks like lettuce, so that only it is commonly known as sea lettuce or marsh plant. These are commonly found in marine, in the area intertidal zones and then seas and then ocean. The thallus, it attaches to the rocks and helps with the help of rhizoids, and there are totally 30 species in this genus, and the Ulva indica, Ulva fasciata, Ulva lactuca, these are the common Indian species. This is the structure of the Ulva thallus. Let's see the external thallus structure of Ulva. Ulva, it is a green alga and it is attached to the rocks and then seaweeds with the help of rhizoids, and it grows up to the height of 30 cm. It is a diploid sporophyte. It consists of three parts. One is blade, stalk, and then holdfast. The blade, it is a leaf-like flat expanded structure and it is green in color. And the second one is the stalk. It is short and cylindrical in nature. The stalk, it connects the blade and the holdfast. Next part is the holdfast. It is a disc shaped and it is made up of rhizoids, and with the help of the rhizoids only and with the help of the holdfast only, the thallus, it attached on the substratum. Then the internal structure of the Ulva thallus, it is a eukaryotic cell and it consists of two nucleus. The cross section of the thallus, it shows two layers of cells. Here we can see the two layers of cells. The cells are arranged vertically. You just see here, the cells are arranged vertically, and the cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, and around the cellulose, the gelatinous matrix is thickly enveloped. And each cell, it consists of a cup-shaped chloroplast, and because of the presence of chloroplast, it is green in color, and the single pyrenoid is present in the chloroplast, and each cell, it also consists of a single nucleus and the which is found in the protoplasm. This see the different parts of the Ulva thallus. This is the cell wall and this is the internal structure of the Ulva thallus. Here we can see the cell wall, and this is the cup-shaped chloroplast, and that is green in color, and this is the mucilage sheath. It is completely around the cell wall, and it consists of a single pyrenoid. The chloroplast, it consists of a single pyrenoid, and there is a single nucleus in the protoplasm, and at the center of this cells, we can see the rhizoids. Ulva thallus structure. The chloroplast, it consists of various pigments such as chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, and then xanthophylls. Here the starch is the reserve food. And if you take here, it consists of two layers of cells. In between the cells, the rhizoids are produced. The rhizoids are produced at the lower side of the cell, and the rhizoids, it grow downwards, and then finally it forms the rhizoidal strands, and the rhizoidal strands, ultimately it forms the holdfast. Then uses. Ulva thallus, it is an important genus of algae which consists of various nutrients, and it consists of especially the polysaccharides, beta carotene, vitamin A, vitamin B, and then various minerals such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, sodium, and then iodine. Since it consists of dietary fibers, it promotes gastrointestinal health. Then the ingredients, it is the main ingredients in the ice cream preparation, and it also consists of beta carotene, and that beta carotene, because of the presence of beta carotene, it is used to reduce cataract. And the vitamin B12 maintain the homeostasis in the brain and the nervous system, and it is also used for the formation of blood cells. And then the Ulva thallus, it is used in the preparation of salads, soups, and it is also used to garnish for seafood dishes. And it is also used as an animal feed and then fertilizer. That is also due to the presence of various nutrients in the Ulva thallus. The algal cells, the Ulva thallus cells, it consists of lipids, and that lipid extract that is used for the preparation of biodiesel. And this Ulva species, it absorbs excess of nutrients from the water, so that only it cleans the water surface, and so that only it reduces the acidification. And during photosynthesis, the Ulva thallus, it absorbs carbon dioxide, and with the help of water, it prepares starch, and it also provides higher amount of oxygen when compared to the other species. These are the summary. Ulva, it is a marine alga, and it is rich in various nutrients, and it provides food base for aquatic life, animals, and also human being. and it provides much earth oxygen. Most of the oxygen we are getting from the ocean only, and that is also due to the marine algal forms. It is an ideal candidate for carbon capture. During photosynthesis, it absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and it is best for bioremediation because it absorbs various nutrients from the water surface, so that only it is a bioremediation. It is used as a bioremediation, and it is used for biodiesel production. This is mainly due to the cells which consist of lipids, and that lipid extract is used for the preparation of biofuels. And Ulva thallus, it is an economically important species because of its higher nutrients, and it is also rich, and it is also used in various fields. And our role is we should not pollute the marine ecosystem, because the marine ecosystem, it is an important ecosystem that is a habitat for most of the organisms, living organisms. So our role is to conserve our marine life. These are the frequently asked questions, and these are the references, and I would like to conclude this topic with this quote: stop pollution and save our marine life. Thank you.